3, 2, 1, start. The present petition is directed against the order dated 5/5/2018 passed by the learned rent controller, whereby the application filed by the petitioner for leave to defend the eviction petition was dismissed and an eviction order was passed in favor of the respondent landlord. The brief facts of the case are that the respondent filed a petition under Section 13B of the East Punjab Urban Rent Restriction Act seeking eviction of the petitioner tenant on the ground that he is a non-resident Indian and requires the premises for his own use and occupation. The petitioner filed an application seeking leave to contest the petition, asserting that the respondent had no bona fide requirement and that the premises were being sought for letting out at a higher rent. The learned rent controller rejected the leave to defend application, holding that the petitioner failed to raise any tribal issue and that the respondent had clearly fulfilled the statutory requirements under Section 13B of the Act. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted before this court that the findings of the rent controller are perverse and have resulted in miscarriage of justice. He contended that the petitioner had brought on record sufficient material to demonstrate that the requirement of the landlord was not genuine and that the property had been previously offered to other tenants. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent supported the impugned order and submitted that the respondent is a senior citizen who returned to India after retirement and needs the premises for personal use. It was argued that the rent controller has rightly applied the provisions of the Act and passed the eviction order in accordance with law. Upon hearing both sides and examining the records, this court finds no illegality or perversity in the impugned order. The Act provides a special right to NRIs to reclaim their property for personal use and mandates speedy disposal of such petitions. The petitioner has failed to raise any substantial defense that would necessitate a full-fledged trial. Accordingly, this court declines to interfere with the eviction order. The present petition is dismissed. However, considering the long possession of the petitioner, he is granted 3 months' time to vacate the premises, subject to filing an undertaking before the rent controller within 10 days. Stop.